This tutorial will introduce the Convex Hull extension, which calculates the convex hull for the filament objects. We will start at the point where the filament tracer wizard has been completed and the filament object created. The Convex Hull extension is available under the Tools tab. Click on the Convex Hull button to execute this extension. Based on the convex hull calculation, a new surface object is created in the viewing area and superimposed on the filament object. By computing and visualizing the convex hull as a surface object with vertices, a non-ambiguous and efficient representation of the neuronal morphology is facilitated. In 2D images with a planar set of points, the convex hull can be thought of as a rubber band wrapped tightly around the points that define the selection. In 3D, the convex hull is the minimal convex polyhedron that envelops all distal points of the selected filament object. It is possible for some new filament object parameters to be derived from the statistical values of the newly created convex hull surface. As a result of the extension calculation, a new surface object is created in the surpass tree. Under the Statistics tab, values such as area and volume of the space occupied by the dendrite object can be compared between different datasets. Convex hull measurements are more robust than tortuosity, that is, branch length divided by linearity, to artifacts of optical microscopy. Convex hull also allows a better measurement of dendrite spread. If you have questions about these or any other features found in Imaris, please contact our sales or support team. Thank you for watching this video.